Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change graphic settings in Golf Clash. To adjust and change the graphic settings in Golf Clash is super easy. First of all, open the Golf Clash application on your device. From the main screen, locate the gear button at the top left corner. This will open up the settings menu. Within the settings menu, tap on Game. You will then be able to see the graphics quality option at the top. Choose from the available option, which is low, medium or high. To enhance the performance on devices with lower specification, you can select the low option. To enjoy enhanced visual details suitable for devices with higher performance capabilities, you may choose the high option. You may also go ahead and choose the medium according to your device's type. Just make sure to select one of these options, and after you do that, you can head back to your game and start playing. By adjusting these settings, you can tailor the game's performance to your device's capabilities, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable experience on Golf Clash. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.